Oh yes, Cromite. Another browser that have a built-in app like iPhone app. So holy gambling app is at the world. Well, recently the built-in app launcher broke. Thanks Google. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make it work again, or in fact better. So let's stop yapping around and begin now. Oh, but first of all, thank to the sponsor of today's video. Now the video is sponsored by me. I didn't make up this shop in a tutorial. This is my phone home screen. To start step 1, we need to know which version the app we have first. Press and hold the app icon, then go to app info. After that, scroll all the way down to see the app version. The newest version is 143. Version 126. If your app is also have a version older than mine or any version older than 142, then you must need to update. To update it, open up the app, go to the settings, scroll all the way down, open about Cromite, turn on allow check-in for update, and go back to the home page. It's gonna show up the update. Oh god, why not showing up? Oh man, for real? Oh my god, 15, oh my god, 30 minutes, 46, 1 hour, oh my god.
3 hours later.
Oh, finally, version 142. I can do the thing now. Go back to the home screen, open up the app, click to the 3 dot, navigate to the setting, go to app lock plus setting, and turn it off. Legacy app lock setting, turn it on, scroll all the way down, go to about Cromite, press application version until it's from up. Developer option are already enabled, then go back, open up developer option, scroll all the way down, enable attention, press belong. Well, I think a lot of people already know how this gonna go, but for people don't know, no, you can keep watching. I can say you a few things.
Stop! You violated the law!
Fine, YouTube. Don't worry guys, I will leave the link in the description. Oh, also, while you install the extension, remember to turn the desktop mode on if you don't want to end up like me. Wait, what? 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 Accident. Oh my god. And that's pretty much it. Now it's pretty much done. I finally can enjoy my enhanced